Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup. First, that is our green, white, green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with informate, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say, the sole administrator of Rivers State will be the retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas have been summoned to appear before the 21-member committee where the House of Representatives arranged to torchlight the things and things where they go on for inside Rivers State. And the invitation so to Oga Ibas, they come barely 24 hours after the 21-member committee was inaugurated by the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and that now Oga Tajudeen Abbas. And now for inside one statement like that where they issued by the spokesperson for the House, and this spokesperson so they go by the name Hakeem Rotimi. In the yarn say the sole administrator of Rivers State has been invited for a comprehensive interactive section with the lawmakers of the Green Chambers of the National Assembly. And Oga Hakeem Rotimi constantly let men know say this invitation so it dey come after the committee their inauguration meeting on Tuesday. And also Oga Hakeem dey let men dey know say the members and leaders of the committee, this summon so go give them the opportunity to deliberate. It will give them the chance to ponder on the issues wey don dey pop up for Rivers State since Oga Ibas enter office as Rivers State sole administrator. And normally, my good people, that's na the sole reason why Oga Abbas arranged the committee to come torchlight the things and things wey dey happen for inside Rivers State. And according to how talk take come aside from the spokesperson of the Green Chamber wey be Hakeem Rotimi, he say pursuant to its constitutional mandate to exercise full legislative oversight in accordance with Section 11, Bracket 4 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, the committee resolved, among other matters, to invite the retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas, who be the sole administrator of Rivers State, to appear before them for a comprehensive interactive section. And according to the chairman of the committee and House leader, will be Honorable Professor Julius Iwonvere, the engagement is necessary to ascertain the true state of affairs for inside Rivers State and to ensure that the House remains properly guided in the discharge of their oversight responsibility in the public interest. So this, my good people, now how Oga Rotimi take yarn about the matter, and he constantly let men know say Oga Ibas is very much expected to appear before the House committee on Thursday, maybe the 17th day of April, so for inside this year, maybe 2025. And the time where Ingas appear now 4 p.m. sharp, and Ingas appear for room 414 House of Representatives new building, National Assembly Complex, within for inside Abuja. Oga Hakeem constantly let men know say a formal letter of the invitation has been sent to Oga Ibas, who be sole administrator of the state, even as the statement wey men issue on the matter is very much aimed at reinforcing transparency in the proceedings of the House. Now, according to Hinte Yan about the matter, he said the committee they reinstate its commitment to fulfilling their duties with diligence, with transparency, and strict adherence to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So like this now, my good people, in just less than 24 hours where the Speaker of the Green Chamber for the National Assembly, Tajudeen Abbas, inaugurates the 21-member ad hoc committee to torchlight the things and things where they play for inside Rivers State, the members now don't swing into action. The members now don't start their duty. They don't start work already. And their first move now to summon, the first thing we then do now to invite Oga Ibas for a comprehensive interactive section with the lawmakers of the Green Chamber. And onto this informate, my good people, I believe say many countrymen they go get things and things to talk about. So don't let anybody or anything stop you. Anyhow the matter be for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you put out your comments inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get report for table, me still get another update where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the Rivers State government led by sole administrator Oga Ibas don come outside and deny a viral social media statement claiming that the suspended governor Sir Siminalayi Fubara and his deputy will be Professor Ngozi Odu were summoned to the government house for an official meeting. And no be lie, my good people, the widely circulated notice be the yarn. Says Sir Fubara has been invited to appear on Friday, maybe the 18th day of April for this year, so maybe 2025. And Ingas appear to come defend appointments where he make during his tenure. And the notice be still the yarn they give men. Says Sir Fubara no ga show up empty-handed. is very much expected to come with documents and justifications to back up his actions in office, and he go also drop reasons why men suppose reinstate am back to office as governor of the state. And now my good people, reacting to the notice now wey show up online, the Rivers State government don issue an official disclaimer, and dem now dey deny the authenticity of the announcement. According to how men now take yarn this time around, they say the Rivers State government has become aware of the fraudulent announcement circulating on social media, falsely attributed to the office of the secretary of the state government. These malicious fabrications are very much designed to mislead the public, create panic and disrupt the peace of Rivers State. And the fake announcement dey falsely claim that His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara GSSROS, the suspended governor of Rivers State, and the deputy governor wey be Professor Mrs. Ngozi Odu were summoned to a meeting at the government house. The Rivers State government categorically states that this announcement is fake and did not originate from any official source. So like this now, my good people, the government now dey yarn dey give men say there was no such invitation. You no get any time wey dem call Sir Sim Fubara and his deputy come for any form of meeting, and they come dey warn the general public say make dem disregard, make dem dust their ear, make dem wash their eye, make dem comot body from the falsehood. And also, my good people, the permanent secretary of the Special Services Bureau wey be Sir Dede Samson Friday, and na this country person so nice sign this newly statement wey don plaster online. Him now don use this opportunity to dey urge the residents of Rivers State. Him now don use this chance now to dey yarn dey give men for inside we nation Nigeria. Say e go make more sense, e go good well well if dem rely solely on verified communication platforms for government information. E now dey yarn dey give men say e no make sense at all say men now go just cook up something, men now go just fabricate report wey no nice, wey no come true, wey no happen at all for internet, and men now go come dey lis ten, men now go come dey watch, men now go come put am for mind thinking say the thing true happen, meanwhile na fallacy. And also, e no get any time wey fake news now don help matters for inside we nation Nigeria. That na jagoda activity. So as a country person wey you be, if you dey involved in the act, or if you know person wey dey involved in the act, e go good make you caution the person, make dem comot body, because e no nice at all. And this my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about this report, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free, make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Anointed Lady TV, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Meanwhile, me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more information for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.